This is our old QuickBlog project dashboard page. Let's look overview of it. Use static. I guess this. Now let me walk you through down. After finishing the dashboard page, this is our layout page. These input statements, logout component. This is this much. Just look at this logic. Simply our home page. We have included these things: navbar header, vlog list, newsletter footer, and we have mounted these components our home page. This is our app component. Let me take you at the top of it. Too much things we have imported here. Home login list and login and toaster. Toast notification. This is dark mode. This was not necessary here. Let's look at it. And we have mounted also the thing we have imported. Mostly things we have imported. And now this is our CSS file. Now main JSX, browser router app provider, and wrapped app inside it. Environment, simple index.html. This is db.js, and this is gemini.js. We have implemented it inside. This is imagecut.js. These are, I guess, our configs inside config folder. Okay, this is our server side file started. Now this is admin controller. We've imported these things: JWT blog comment. This is asynchronous func. Slowly look. this we have not exported anything at the bottom. Why we did that? Because at the starting of our function we wrote this word export. If we remove from all of these asynchronous functions, then we will export it at the bottom. By writing it this way, we no need to export it at the bottom. Okay, these controller files are those files in which we write the logics. Admin controller, so we will write the logics based on admin, who controls the blog site, post blogs or do any activity. And this is blog controller.js, means we can manage a blog in any type of way, posting, deleting, updating. So all those types of logic will come inside this blog controller.js. Now let's have a look on this blog controller. Toggle publish, add comment, get blog comment. Now we'll move on to middlewares. We made auth and multer. This is auth middleware, JWT. Okay, there is no export, that's why we have exported it at the bottom. Okay, now let's move on to multer middleware. This is simple, one liner, file uploading. Now we move on to our models, blog and comment, two types of model. These are the simple DB database kind of things. By changing this, we will change some of these things here and somewhere. Simple. Now comment wala schema, comment model, comment schema. This let's move on to routes, admin and blog. We made two types. This is admin routes. By this way we imported this much things. Now blog route. This is the very long import statements. Notice common thing in admin router, in admin routes of admin routes file, that here we fetch the admin router and we are making the methods on this same admin router variable or admin router, and we applies the these requests at these routes, and at the end we import these things based on this names. Same thing, look at blog, this and this, by this way. Now we are at the very last file backend, which is server. Look, imported the router, middleware, this routes, and these things is very simple.